my own needs being extremely simple. Although I enjoy good food, I don't even own a television set. And, you know, it's a very simple life, but I've got it happy. You see, a lot of people don't feel happy unless they have another thing beyond money, which is called status. And status, to a very large extent in our economy, consists in conspicuous consumption, in having this thing and that thing and the other thing, in having a swimming pool, a Ferrari, certain kind of clothes, and certain kind of house with an enormous round-style picture window, and so on and so on and so on. And we think we need all that because we've been persuaded by a certain kind of propaganda that that's how we ought to live, because we haven't asked ourselves whether that was what we really wanted.